This is Tuck with Tuck GC. I'm out in Arlington, Virginia, and I'm just putting up a little teaser video of a project that we finished up recently. We have stage 2 going on in the back. We're actually meeting the engineers out here this morning to look at a whole screen room project and a possible door cutout, putting in a big wide 12-foot Marvin accordion door. But while I was out here, I wanted to shoot a quick video. The landscaping wasn't in place yet, and it looked kind of dirty when we were out here before, and I didn't get any good pictures or videos, so here we are. This was just put in a week or so ago. Driveway's still a little dirty, so don't mind that. There was all this was just dirt from all the excavation, so dirt was running off onto the driveway, but the sod has fixed that. So when we come through to do the rear project, we'll wash all this again and get it clean for the client and make it look good. Now what we did over here looks really nice. There was a wood porch here that was completely falling apart, issues with the railing, the post, everything involved. So we came in and made it out of masonry. Now this has a big footing system that goes all the way down to the foundation. We basically put in pier footers that go down to the basement foundation. We did a grade beam that connects it all, that goes the whole way around, almost like a bridge, if you will, but underground to support all this concrete work. Did all the concrete. So the engineering, the footings, the concrete work, all that just to get to the pretty stone stuff took almost 2 weeks. So you could imagine, pretty intense project, and had a big number on it too because of all that labor involved. Now once we did that, we came through, put in all the stone, did all the pavers, did the driveway. I'll touch over there on the elevated parts of the driveway and the stuff we worked on in a little bit here, but let's take a look at what this stone and pavers looks like. Now I love using pavers on driveways. First of all, natural stone with the car traffic, it can crack up mortar, so doing pavers with a polymeric sand is a better option. You can see we did the thermal stone border to tie it all together that lines up with the stone here. The stone is integrating with the pavers here, and then you have the natural stone, the thermals with the stoning 10 Ashlar series on all the vertical, and the color combination between all these products is just fantastic. Thermal stone up here, thermal border, stoning 10, and then the Teco block HD smooth pavers out here. Now all these pavers that you see, they are set on a concrete base, so you're never going to have an issue. This wet set and mortar, concrete base, and polymeric sand. We did low voltage lighting system the whole way throughout. I'll show the transformer over there later. Just touching on the porch a little more, they had a ceiling that was really coming apart. It was like an outdoor drywall stuff they used. I don't even know what the product was, but it was falling apart. Came in and put a mahogany beadboard. That still needs to be stained. We're going to stain that with the back project. And then the columns and all the PVC that we put in, that isn't painted yet either. So just economy of scale, we're going to paint and stain everything at the same time with the back screen room. Driveway looks great. We have this set up. We talked about an apron project here, but as you see, there's a water meter there, and that just complicated things. Another $7,000 to move meter and time and everything else. So we set this up in the future where we can just saw cut right there if he ever does want to do the apron extension. They may or may not do that at a later date. Got the basketball hoop that we put in, big footer system for that goes way down in the ground, and we actually installed the hoop and everything for them. Come around to this side, you can see how elevated this is. The whole length of this edge has a structural footer as well. We carried the same concept with the thermal flagstone around the edges with the pavers in the middle. Again, low voltage lighting. I think we had either 35 or 38 lights on this. They run the whole way along this edge, all the stairs and around the porch, and at night it really lights up and showcases the stonework. So this is what we do. I'm glad you took the time to watch our video with us. If you have any sort of structural work like porches, things like that, any structural masonry, we're experts in that, getting the engineering put together, as well as actually installing the stonework to make it look beautiful. So I hope you like what you see. Give us a call, and we'd love to do a project like this for you as well. Take care.